Samtec's a good fit for avionics applications for at least three reasons. The first being the breadth of the product technology. Modern avionics systems are getting more complex, and usually there's multiple technologies involved. And Samtec not only has RF products for those, but we've got a whole host of high-speed copper solutions as well as fiber optic solutions. Another reason is the reliability of Samtec products. Every new product we launch goes through rigorous qualification testing at one of our global electromechanical labs, and we've also got multiple labs for signal integrity testing to do that portion of the design verification. And then lastly, it's about the supply chain. Samtec is a global company. Obviously, we've got manufacturing all over the world, but we maintain a very strong domestic presence. And in most cases, we have at least 2 domestic factories where these products can be built. And I think that's really important as geopolitical situation is always changing.